continue to watch the rising temperatures. Going to be hot the next couple of days. So let's check back in with meteorologist Zoe Mintz. Well, it depends where you are, because here in San Francisco, it was almost chilly this morning, but different story inland, right?
Yeah, it's the microclimates that are really in full force all across the Bay Area. So yes, in San Francisco early this morning, we saw some very dense fog. It was actually a misty start to our day. It kept us nice and cool. And overhead right now, we're still looking at a little bit of that marine layer holding strong. And the marine layer is also mixed with a little bit of fog and a little bit of smoke, some haze from nearby wildfires that are moving into our area. But the biggest issue today is not going to be the haze, even though there is that spare the air alert. So keep that in mind, especially for sensitive groups that maybe aren't the best when it comes to that particulate matter in the air, people with asthma, older people, and especially if you are sensitive to the heat. Very young, very old, and pregnant women are going to be at the biggest risk when it comes to heat-related illness. Excessive heat warnings in effect today, tomorrow, all the way through Friday for our inland East Bay communities, where temperatures are going to get into the triple digits, well above the triple digits, in fact, which is why you do have to practice heat safety. Don't forget to drink the water this afternoon. Even if you're not thirsty, start drinking it now. Inland Bay communities closer to the coast are going to be seeing heat advisories. Not to say it's not going to be hot, it still is, but they'll be seeing upper 80s to upper 90s versus upper triple digits. So it's all relative, but places in the Bay, a lot of them don't have air conditioning. So that's something to keep in mind. You're going to want to keep those fans on high. And I suggested this earlier, maybe put a bucket of ice in front of your fan, kind of make your own air conditioner. That's what I had to do a couple of weeks ago, as we are looking at our inlandmost areas have that higher risk for heat-related illness today and into tomorrow. It will begin to let up just a little bit by Friday, and I have some really good news. 6 to 10 days away, that heat dome, that ridge of high pressure, will move off to the north and east, and that will allow us to be a little bit more seasonable by the time that we step out next week. So we do have an end in sight when it comes to our heat wave. Unfortunately, though, today it is going to be a very hot one. Temperatures across the North Bay communities upwards of 20 degrees warmer than yesterday in the 90s. It's our inland East Bay communities that are going to be well above 100 degrees that we are most concerned about. Head to your cooling centers if you do not have air conditioning, or if maybe your power went out. It's all things that you have to keep in mind throughout this afternoon. Even down into the Santa Clara Valley, there are these excessive heat warnings that are in effect. Even though your temperatures might not be in the triple digits, it is still extremely hot for this time of year. So these are all things that we do need to keep in mind as we step out for the next 7 days or so. And again, we have an end in sight to the heat wave. By early next week, high temperatures will be getting back down into the 90s and even 80s, with more of that cloud marine layer finally arriving. But today, you have to practice that heat safety.